Hi guys, it's Sunday and right now I'm at Michael's kitchen and I'll be preparing garlic buttered shrimp. Ingredients will be, of course, shrimp, garlic, butter, lemon soda, salt, and pepper. So enjoy the rest of the cooking. So first, imong i-marinate ang shrimp sa lemon soda for at least 10 minutes. Put the garlic onto the melted butter. Now wait until the garlic butter becomes slightly brown and then put on the shrimp. Cook the shrimp until the color becomes orange and then pag orange na ganing siya, ibutang na dayo na ang lemon soda. And now that the shrimp is already orange, have to put the lemon soda na itong gigamit pag marinate. Yep. Now all we need is just salt and pepper to taste. And voila, it's ready! Ooh, steaming.